I am Dr. Donald Lozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm going to be describing and demonstrating a lumbar spine stretch with the patient in a sideline position. The doctor is going to be positioned either behind the patient or in front of the patient. I like to be positioned behind the patient, but for filming purposes, I'm going to be positioned in front of the patient. The patient is laying on their side. You can have both hips flexed to the same amount, or you can have the upper hip flexed a little bit less, whatever works better for you. And you are going to contact the top of the patient's lateral pelvis, and you will be distracting that inferior, and then you will be contacting the patient's lateral rib cage, and you will be distracting that superior. You can also contact the patient's shoulder if you want. I prefer to contact the rib cage. Now what we want to do is have the patient rotate their upper body on their own. Go ahead and rotate a little bit, and then we're going to have them abduct the shoulder to a comfortable level, and then go ahead and rotate their upper body. And once they get to a point where they feel a slight stretch, then we are going to increase that stretch. Like I said, you could contact the rib cage or you could contact the shoulder. I prefer to contact the rib cage, and you are pushing the rib cage superior and slightly anterior, and you are pushing the pelvis inferior. You feeling a stretch when I do that?
Yep.
Okay, so right now we got a nice little stretch going in the lumbar spine, and you're going to hold that stretch anywhere from 10 seconds to 120 seconds.